Some water down there, the lake. This is a little job we did. Tiny little job, just to like a filler job. We did this little foyer here with the tile. And today I'm here to silicone it, and I'm going to show you how I like to do it. It's nice to come to a job site and nobody's around. Not a bunch of animals working in the house. By animals, I mean drywallers or carpenters or this and that. Just give you a complete headache when you're trying to get your work done, and especially if you're a quiet guy like me. So we got the silicone ready. Next thing we're gonna do is just check for chunks of grout in corners or anything like that. Like usual, I came unprepared. I didn't bring shit. I just brought the absolute necessary things. So I'm just gonna use this blade and look for any little chunks of anything. That's it. If there's any plastic like this, just want to peel it away from where it meets your tile. And my guy, he left a nice big chunk along the bottom here, so I gotta get that out. I've told him so many times to stop doing this. You don't grout this area. You don't grout this area. You don't need to. When two different planes meet, like this plane and this plane, you never grout it. I'll be very careful not to scratch the tub, obviously. Keep hearing shit. It's gonna fuck my video up if somebody comes here and I gotta stop recording and stop talking to you guys. It's gonna piss me off. Material, it's a quartz. It's a thinner quartz. It's not your standard 3/4 inch. It's a lot thinner. It's actually made for a niche like this, a 12 by 12. And the profile in the corner, we had to 45 it, like a miter joint like that, obviously. Because if you do a butt joint, you're gonna have to cope it around the groove. So it makes more sense just to 45 it, take the extra time and do it properly. There is adequate slope from the back coming out. There is another way. If you did have a shelf in here, you could actually slope the shelf towards the wall and leave a 1/4 inch gap at the back here, and the water will just fall down to here and fall off into the tub. Keep fucking hearing bangs, man. It's driving me nuts. Somebody here? Okay, anyways, go fuck yourself. So with silicone or caulking, whatever you want to call it, you want to start from the bottom and work your way up. Especially if you're going to be using water, like I do, soapy water, which is in that green spray bottle right there. Don't go too fast, don't go too slow. Try to keep your bead of silicone consistent. Start here. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, because you're gonna perfect it when you dress it. And I'll show you what I mean. Stop there. So this corner, same deal. In the middle. This way. Right up. And start here again. Wait till it stops. It's bunching up like that because I'm pushing harder to get it inside the joint. I want to make sure it's inside the joint there. It looks like shit, I know, but wait till I'm done. Now, before you start spraying with water, you want to go up a little bit so that when you put your silicone here, if you did do that and it was wet, it wouldn't grab. So just go up a bit. Come up. That's far enough. Same thing here. That's good. Now we're gonna put that down. Get our spray bottle. Start spraying. I'm gonna go like, when I get here, I don't wanna go above the silicone, I wanna stay just under it. And you're gonna spray all along. Again, don't go above the silicone here. Stay just under it. There you go. That's it. My weapon of choice is a popsicle stick. You want to spray this, make sure it's wet. It's wet. Okay. And we're going to work from the corner out. Just like this. I'm not pushing too hard against the tile. Just a consistent. And if you spray it, the silicone doesn't stick to your popsicle stick. So we got that far. I'm gonna come, that's about midway. I'm gonna come on this corner now and do the same thing. I'm not going too fast, I'm not going too slow, just consistent speed. There it is. Now, we're gonna work our way out from the corner on the side wall. It's hard to see because all the soap, it's just dish soap. There's nothing to it, nothing special. And it just falls right off your popsicle stick. If you have little imperfections like this little thing here, you just take your stick and get rid of it. And that's it. Now, we're gonna go up from the corner. And we're gonna dress it. I'm just pushing the silicone in. And I'm gonna drag it away. And that's it. And dress the corner this way. That's it. And dress the corner going up. Go fuck yourself. I'm just gonna put that up there, just like that. Drag that out. It's nice smooth corner. And we'll do the same over here. First, let's get this one. Just look closely, make sure you're not leaving big chunks of shit everywhere. And you see there, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little void right there. So we're just gonna drag it. And it just fills that void. And I'm just dressing the corner again, making sure it's consistent, smooth, and looks good. I'm doing this with one hand. Looking there, it's hard to do with one hand, film. This is ridiculous. It's not there. Over here. Oh, fuck's sakes. I just did that right now. It's good. I like that. I'll leave that there. Breathing heavy because I don't know why. Okay. Jesus Christ. Alright, that's right. I'm gonna stress it. Corner out. See how it just falls right off? Look, look. See ya. Okay. Corner out. Same deal. It's all, you can see the soap. It's regular dish soap mixed with water. Corner up. I'm gonna go corner down. Yeah. That's it. Corner out. Top. Corner out. I think that's good. Not too bad. There we go. I'm gonna spray the stick a bit more. All this shit here is not us. This is fucking the drywall guys. Of course. Fucking pigs. Go fuck yourself. This one. Spray. Change your hair, spray. Spray super stick. That's it. And get to work. All right. Let me show you just how nice it comes out with the simple popsicle stick. Learn to speak. Get off me. Let's get the fuck out of here. Okay. Yeah, fuck me. Fucking pull this shit. It's one of those fucking doors. Give me a hard time. Material. Oh, piss. Oh yeah, fuck. This is what I record with this little phone. I don't have any fancy equipment. Well, I'm in a porta potty still. And that's it. We're out of here.